In this video, we are going to talk about a tool that can help you grow your X or Twitter account. It's called TweetHunter. If you want to get more followers and make more money on Twitter, then this video is for you. Stay tuned to find out if this is the right tool for you. So, what is TweetHunter? It is an all-in-one X growth tool. It is made for people who want to build a big and engaged audience on X. TweetHunter helps you at every step of your X journey. It helps you create good content. It helps you schedule your tweets. It also helps you find new followers and customers. Imagine being able to write a month's worth of tweets in just 1 hour. That's what TweetHunter promises. It has a lot of features that can help you save time and get better results. But is it as good as it sounds? Let's find out. Now let's talk about the top features of TweetHunter. First up, the viral tweets library. This is a huge collection of over 3 million successful tweets. You can search this library to see what is already working for others. Just type in a keyword or a Twitter handle. You will see the best tweets on that topic. This is great for inspiration. You don't have to guess what will work. You can see what people already like and share. This feature alone can save you hours of research. It's like having a secret book of successful tweets recipes. Want to know what the best creators in your niche are tweeting about? This feature will tell you. It's a game changer for content creation. Next, we have AI-powered writing. This is where the magic happens. TweetHunter's AI can write tweets for you. It gives you personalized tweet suggestions every day. If you find a tweet you like, the AI can rewrite it for you. It can also give you ideas for threads. This is perfect for when you don't know what to write. The AI helps you create high-quality content very fast. It's like having a personal ghostwriter. And the best part? It's all based on what's currently trending and performing well on X. So your content will always be fresh and relevant. This feature is for anyone who struggles with the writer's block. Third on our list is scheduling and automation. This feature is a huge time saver. You can write all your tweets for the week or month and schedule them. TweetHunter will post them for you at the best times. But that's not all. It also has powerful automation features. For example, you can set up an auto DM. This will send a direct message to people who interact with your tweets. You can also set up an auto plug. This will add a reply to your popular tweets with a link to your product or website. These features help you get more out of every tweet you post. It's like putting your X account on autopilot. Coming in at number 4 is the CRM feature. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. This feature turns your Twitter account into a sales machine. You can create lists of important people. This could be your customers, potential clients, or just people you want to connect with. The CRM helps you find and engage with high-quality leads. You can track your interactions with them. This is great for building relationships, and building relationships is key to making sales on X. If you want to use X to grow your business, this feature is for you. It helps you stay organized and never miss an opportunity. Last but not least, analytics. This feature helps you understand how your Twitter account is performing. It shows you important numbers like follower growth, engagement, and reach. You can see which of your tweets are doing well and which are not. This helps you understand what your audience likes. You can then create more of the content that works. The analytics dashboard is very easy to understand. It gives you all the information you need to make smart decisions about your Twitter strategy. You can track your progress and see how much you have grown. It's like having a report card for your Twitter account. Now let's talk about the main disadvantage. No tool is perfect, and TweetHunter is no exception. The biggest disadvantage of TweetHunter is the price. It is more expensive than some other X tools. This might be a problem for people who are just starting out. If you're not making any money from your X account yet, the monthly fee might seem high. Also, while the AI is very powerful, it's not perfect. Sometimes the AI generated content can lack a personal touch. You still need to edit and add your own voice to the tweets. So, it's not a complete set it and forget it solution. You still need to put in some work. So, how much does TweetHunter cost? TweetHunter has three main plans to choose from. The Discover plan is $29 per month and is great for starting to build your audience. The Grow plan is $49 per month. This one adds the powerful AI writer and the Twitter CRM. For bigger needs, there is an enterprise plan at $200 per month. The great news is that all of these plans come with a 7-day free trial. This lets you test everything out before you decide to pay. So, who is TweetHunter for? This tool is for serious X users who want to grow their audience in business. It is for content creators, marketers, and business owners. If you want to save time and get better results in X, then this tool is for you. It is also for people who want to make money from their X account. The CRM and automation features are perfect for lead generation and sales. However, if you are a casual X user, this tool might be too much for you. It is a powerful tool with a lot of features. To get the most out of it, you need to be committed to your X growth. If you are ready to invest in your X presence, then TweetHunter is a great choice. In conclusion, TweetHunter is a powerful and comprehensive X growth tool. It has everything you need to succeed in the platform. From content creation to analytics, it has you covered. The price might be a bit high for some, but the features and benefits are worth it if you are serious about X. If you want to take your X game to the next level, I highly recommend giving TweetHunter a try. And that's it for our review of TweetHunter. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. If you are interested in trying out TweetHunter, you can use our affiliate link in the description below. It won't cost you anything extra, but it will help support the channel. Thank you so much for your time, and I will see you on the next one.